Have you ever noticed a peculiar sound when you or someone you know breathes, almost like a little whistle or a high-pitched hum? That whistling sound you often hear during breathing does indicate wheezing, which is a very common symptom of asthma. Recognizing this distinctive sound is a crucial first step in understanding and effectively managing asthma, allowing you to take appropriate action if it occurs. Wheezing occurs when air attempts to pass through narrowed airways in the lungs. In asthma, this narrowing typically happens due to three main factors. First, the airways become inflamed and swollen. Second, excessive mucus production can further obstruct these delicate passages. Third, the muscles surrounding the airways can tighten, a process known as bronchoconstriction, making them even smaller. This combination creates a turbulent airflow that produces the characteristic whistling sound, most often heard during exhalation, although it can sometimes be present during inhalation as well. If you notice this whistling sound, it is important to observe when it happens and what might be triggering it. For instance, does it occur during exercise, after exposure to allergens, or at certain times of the day? While wheezing is a strong indicator of asthma, it is not always exclusively linked to it, as other conditions can also cause similar sounds. The best course of action is to consult a healthcare professional. A doctor will listen to your lungs, ask about your medical history, and may conduct lung function tests to determine the underlying cause and provide an accurate diagnosis. It is also interesting to note that in some severe cases of asthma, particularly during a very serious attack, the airways can become so severely narrowed that almost no air can move through them. In such instances, the wheezing sound might actually lessen or even disappear entirely, a dangerous sign often referred to as a silent chest, which indicates a critical lack of airflow and requires immediate medical attention. Most commonly, though, wheezing can be clearly heard without a stethoscope when it is a significant symptom. So, while a whistling sound during breathing is indeed a powerful signal that your airways are constricted, and is often a hallmark of asthma, it is vital to seek professional medical advice. Prompt evaluation leads to an accurate diagnosis and the development of a personalized treatment plan, ensuring you can manage your condition effectively and enjoy a better quality of life.